What's up, XRP holders? So, XRP holder, today I have a very important update for all XRP holder because my brother, the price will pumps up. Congratulations! If you check out my previous video, my friend, I already tell you to the price will pumps up tomorrow now, and definitely my prediction is going to be 100% right. So, therefore, my friend, absolutely you will need to subscribe this channel for more this type latest and urgent updates video and price prediction videos. Kindly subscribe this channel. I hope if you want to earn money, my friend, in a crypto, now you need, my friends, to subscribe this channel. The price will pump up. So first of all, congratulations, my friend. And after that, my friends, how you can earn money, my friend, and exert especially in last 10 days, just in only if you are a short-time investor. Now that video is just and only for you now, my friend. So, and this time, my friend, a lot of holders are starting investing more and more. So, therefore, the price will pump up. And definitely, and every day, I will tell you, my friends, to the price will pumps up in last 10 days of every month. So, therefore, that's true. That's right, my friend. As you can see here, the price 0.37%. This just an only moving upward in last, my friend. You can see here 24 hour. So, definitely, this is just an only after a very bad fails, my friends. They will pumps up. I hope, my friends, tomorrow they will make you millionaire now. They will give you, my friends, 10% profit. So if they just only give you 10% profit, so I will give you guarantee to the price will hit now, my friend, 1.4 to 1.5 USD dollar. This is our price target, my friend. I hope they will easily hit this target. But if they just only hit, my friend, 1.4 USD dollar, 1.3 to 1.4 USD dollar, so congratulations, my friends. They will give you a 8 to 9% profit. So this is absolutely very good, my friends, for all of you now. I hope they will make you millionaire now if you are invest, my friend, in those days. So kindly, this is very good, my friend, for short-term investor to invest. And what do you, my friends, do? Please tell me in a comment box. This is very important for all of you. My opinion is for all of you to please hold, and if you want to buy more, so buy it. I hope they will give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. My prediction is going positive. What's your price prediction? Tell me in a comment box. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.